This video will show you how to install and upgrade Intel display or graphics drivers. Sometimes you're running MUGEN 1.1 and some people experience this kind of error, says graphics gain coordinates error. This error means your driver, especially the OpenGL part of the driver, is not installed. And many people may forgot to install the Intel graphics driver because the Intel graphics chip is inside your CPU, so a lot of people may forget to install that. Since the built-in driver from Windows is not complete, it's just a basic driver. It doesn't support 3D, it doesn't support OpenGL, so in this video I will demonstrate how to install the full Intel driver. First, search DXDIAG. Now you're gonna remember the 4 digits in your CPU name, the 4 digits plus 1 letter. Search for Intel driver. Drag down the menu and select the driver and the software. In the search box, type in your 4 digits and the 1 letter. If you don't have 1 letter, just ignore it. And choose your operating system. Remember to use the correct operating system. For my example, I'm using Windows 10 64-bit, so I choose Windows 10 64-bit. As you can see, the first one is the Windows 10 display driver, and the third one is for Windows 7 and 8, so I will choose the first one. Usually you have 2 options, one is exe, one is a zip. I usually download the zip. Now unzip your zip. After that, you just double click the exe inside and finish the setup. Since I already have it, so I will not install this again, but this one is pretty easy. You should be able to do that without any problem. Another issue is when you have 2 graphics cards. For my case, I have AMD dedicated graphics card and Intel built-in graphics card. So when you run a game, you have to tell the system which graphics card you want to use. Usually normal application will use the built-in Intel one, and if you run a video game like MUGEN or any other 3D video game or 2D video game, you better use the dedicated GPU. For my case, it's the AMD. I will demonstrate how you can set this up. First, you turn on the AMD software. In the settings, choose the Switchable Graphics and choose the install games or applications and use the browser. So you browse your hard drive and navigate to load the game. For my example is the MUGEN 1.1. So you will find the MUGEN 1.1, the MUGEN.exe, so you add to the list. Then you will choose the MUGEN.exe will use high performance, which means use the dedicated GPU. If you choose power saving, it means use the Intel built-in GPU. If you're using any recording software or OBS, you'd better use the Intel built-in GPU for the OBS. And that's it.